Let's test this plasma cutter on 220 volts, see how it cuts. Here's the plug right here, 220. It's a dual voltage machine, so it does 220 or 110, 16 gauge. Here's the cut. Yeah, it was nice and straight. 1/8 inch. Here's the cut. We're gonna burn a hole right through the steel, stick a bolt in it. Plunge cut's pretty good. 1/4 inch. Quarter inch, here's the cut. Man, that is nice and clean. And it cut it nice and straight. Probably the best cut yet. I just jump straight in, 220, max it out, and then I get the fastest cuts possible because I don't like wasting time. 3/8 inch. Running 65 PSI, 50 amps. There's the cut. Man, that's nice and clean. Look how clean that cut is. 3/4 inch. To the max. $39.4. Man, I can't believe it cut that thick 3/4 inch steel. Look at that. Takes a little bit of time, a little bit of effort. You got to go a little bit slower, but it gets it done in a pinch. All right, so here's the controls right here. We have the air pressure. You can see the pressure's going down, and the pressure goes up. Then you push it in to lock it in place so you can adjust it. And then we have the amps right here. Goes all the way up to 50. Oh, that's cool. It says 220 right there, and it'll tell us when the fan's on. That way we know if we're on 220 or 110. You can't cut as thick a metal on 110 as you can 220. You have to go a little bit slower. 220 had the most power, got the fastest cuts. The machine cut great on 220, blasted through that thick 3/4 inch steel with ease. Check you out in the next one. Later.